Welcome. The Google team wants to inform you there is a new enhanced tool finder at the top of Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This new tool finder will make it easy for you to commonly find those used tools and features, such as finding menu items and tools, view recommended actions, get suggestions for related actions as you type, and activate, find, and replace after you enter content from your document. So where is this amazing new tool finder? Well, it's actually in two places, and I'm going to go ahead and show you where that is. It'll be located in Docs, Sheets, and Slides in the same location. So with that being said, let's start with Google Docs. You can go to the Help menu and you can click Search the Menus, and then it will take you to the new tool finder. You can see that it also navigated you directly to the magnifying glass at the top. That is where you also find the tool finder. If you are a keyboard shortcut person, note that you can click Alt and the backward slash, and that will also get you to the tool finder. So what does this tool finder actually do? Well, lots of things. Formatting, help you find menus, and also just takes action. It's so much more than a help option. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and just say I want to change my page setup. I can start typing up page setup. It will take me directly to the page setup option, and then I can adjust to the page list view or any of the other options that are available in that menu option. I can then use the Alt backward slash, and it will get me directly back up there as well. What other things can you do? It can also use natural language. So for example, I could type in what last version, and you can see then see version history is appearing. So I could look at the version history of this document by just typing this up in the tool finder. And then it takes me to the version history option. I'm going to go ahead and back out. It also lets you take some other actions. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and highlight enhancing tool discovery and etc. I'm going to go up to the menu option. I'm going to say font size increase. Notice then it has increased font size. I could also type in font size, and it gives me different selections here as well. When I train Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides, I always recommend to take a tour of the menu options. The reason is it takes some time to get used to where everything is at. This new tool finder alleviates that concern. You know what action you want to take, what you want to do, and etc. A lot of times you do not know where it's at. You can always go up here, start typing in the keyword. That's maybe I want to look at who's looked at the document recently. I can type in activity dashboard or use a natural language such as who has looked, and it brings up activity dashboard. It also will kind of remember your preferences on that document as well, and etc. So with that being said, let's go ahead and navigate to Google Sheets and see how it works within Google Sheets. So here's a Google Sheet, and we like to take similar actions in Sheets. Same thing, we could go up here to the top, you'll find the magnifying glass will take you to the tool finder, or you can go to the help menu and select search menus. As always, you can use the keyboard shortcut as described earlier. I'm going to go ahead and click on the magnifying glass, and let's say this time I want to freeze row 1. All right, so I'm taking that action, then it froze row 1. So let's go ahead and let's say I want to freeze columns up to 2 columns. I could do that. What about some formatting? Absolutely. Let's go ahead and type in alternating colors. And it brings up the alternating colors options that we have. Let's go ahead and select the blue and etc. Same thing. Maybe I want to see version history and etc. Takes me to version history. As you can see, this is a very useful tool. Let's just give you a quick understanding in Slides. Same thing, go to the magnifying glass. This time maybe I want to focus on themes. I can type in the word edit theme. It'll take me to the theme. If I choose to update, maybe I want to insert an image. I can go by URL, web, etc. It gives me all those options in the box below. Some other things you maybe want to be aware of that you can do is you can go ahead and do some navigation and organization. So for example, I can type in the word move to trash, etc. and add a shortcut to drive, and you can also star it. This is a very useful tool to help navigate inside Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. I encourage you to try it out and get used to this amazing tool to help you collaborate, add content, and so much more. With that, I strongly encourage you to check out the description below to learn more, and thank you.